All right, hey scholars, today we're going to do some fraction practice. Okay, this is a worksheet that I gave you earlier today. Be sure you put your name on it. Probably the only place it's going to fit is probably right over here, since I was trying to save paper and just give you half a sheet. Okay, so be sure your name's on it. We're going to do the first two, or this number 1 right here and number 4 right here together. Okay, and then that way you'll continue and finish the rest to turn in tomorrow. All right, let's look at number 1. Okay, one of the ways that I want you to be able to show me your EOT, your evidence of thought, and how you're solving this, okay, is to actually use the fraction. Okay, our instructions right here say write a fraction in numbers and words to name the shaded parts. Okay, remember it's always important that you're labeling the fraction for what it's asking for. We want shaded on this one. Okay, so since we want the shaded, the first pieces I'm going to count are the shaded ones. 1, 2, okay. I'm going to have 2 shaded. I'm going to have 2 shaded, and that makes up our numerator. And then on the bottom, our denominator is our total number of pieces. So I've already counted 1 and 2. Now I can count for the total amount. We include those. We don't just start counting just the unshaded ones. Okay? Our denominator is our total number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total pieces. So our fraction would be 2/6. And then when you come down here to write it in words, the exact way you said it, 2/6 is what you would write. Okay. Now the instructions change for the bottom 4, 5, and 6. Okay? It says to draw a model of each fraction, then write the fraction in numbers and words. Okay? So we want to draw 5 out of 8. So we need to have 8 total. That's going to be our denominator. And remember, they have to be equal pieces. Okay. Then we need to shade 5 of them because that part hasn't changed. The instructions still want it to be shaded. So I'm going to shade in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go ahead and show you my evidence of thought. Okay. I labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces shaded out of 6, 7, 8 pieces total. So there's our EOT, our evidence of thought. That's what you're thinking when you're drawing this, so that's what you're showing me. Okay. Then our fraction, we would write it. We had 8 total pieces for our denominator and 5 pieces shaded for our numerator. And we say that 5/8. So you come down here and you write 5/8. Okay. Now you're going to continue and you're going to complete 2, 3, 5, and 6. Okay. And one of the fun things I want you to do tonight, after you complete those, is to go tell your parents how we remember the difference between a numerator and a denominator. Okay, I want you to show someone, mom, dad, grandma, aunt, uncle, whoever's watching you, I want you to show someone our fraction dance. Okay, remember, stretch out your arms for the fraction bar. Okay, and then you show them to nod their numerator and shake down their denominator. And that's it for tonight. Be sure you complete that worksheet for you to turn in tomorrow. Don't forget to put your name on it. And I'll see y'all tomorrow.